In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images without spending any money. So there is this website I want you to go to your browser, and then you search for Dall E free image generator. So you go to the website, it's free. So you can log in with your account if you have an account, or you can log in with your Google address if you have a Google address. Yeah, it's quite simple. So just log in anyone. You can create an account or you log in with that Google address. So when you log in with your Google address, when you're new, you have 0 credits. Here's what you have to do. Go to my account, go to subscription, go to all plans. And once you're here, you choose the first one that is free and take use for free. So when you take use for free, they're going to give you 5 credits. So when they give you 5 credits, you can generate 5 images for free. So what you have to do, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to keep on generating images for free, even though it's just 5 credits. So now what you have to do here is describe the image you want to generate. So I can describe for a short, let's say, and generate a feature iPhone 17. So I'm just trying to see something. All right, so it should be vertical, and you can choose the style if you want, but I'm just going to take analog film. All right, so and I go to generate image. So I click on generate image. Just give it a minute. This is very simple, right? You don't have to spend any money. So all right, I don't know why this people generated here, but it doesn't look like an iPhone for 17. But so here's the thing: when you are describing your image, always make sure to describe very well, briefly, like what you want to do. So let's do this again. We're going to see a beautiful woman at a bar selling wine to a male customer. So let's generate an image of that and see. All right, so if you love this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's the image generated. So you can do this. As I said, you have 5 credits, but if your 5 credits get on, you don't want to, you can create various accounts with different emails, or you can delete your account and log in again. Very simple. If this video is helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel.